Hello guys and girls, welcome to the Get Rich Instantly series. Today I'm going to present you a crazy idea that I had that is supposed to make me rich instantly. Watch until the end to see if it worked. The idea is very simple. Create a website where people can get rid of their cryptocurrency. If you have crypto that you don't need, you just get rid of it, and our promise is that you'll never recover it. Is there any chance that this idea worked? Let's see. But first, a quick presentation of the website. On the first page, we are presented with the basic philosophy of trashmycoin.com. Send your Bitcoin here and it's gone forever. In case you decide you have some crypto that you want to get rid of, just scan the QR code and send it to trashmycoin.com and it's gone. Here at the end of the site you can see the recent live dumps. For example, the latest person, Thelma Herman, just dumped 0.0085 Bitcoin. Is this true? Does it really work? Watch until the end and find out. A site with only one page is boring, so I also added a HODL Calculator. Here you can calculate how much your crypto will be worth in the future. A site is not trustworthy unless it also has testimonials. As you can see, we have a lot of happy dumpers. People that throw away Bitcoin and are very happy about this. Try it yourself and you'll see the difference. The administration team of the website is very honest that this site is a joke. In case you don't fully understand the concept yet, pay a visit to the About section. And now the moment all of you have been waiting for. Let me open my Bitcoin wallet. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. I made exactly 0 Bitcoin. This site has been launched a few months ago and it's still waiting for kind-hearted people that will donate. Be the first one. Does this crazy idea of fishing for Bitcoin on the internet has any chance of working? Will there be some persons crazy enough to donate on this website? Let me know what you think in the comments. If you want to know if this idea came to fruition, if anybody donated some Bitcoin, subscribe and stay informed.